Number 1, let's calculate 23 times 4. We're going to use the long method first. Now, 23 is equal to 20 plus 3, and we must times both by 4. So for our first step, we do 4 times 3. Just writing out what the step is. Yeah, you don't have to. And 4 times 3 is 12. There's our answer. Our next step, we do 4 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8, times 10 is 80. Then we add the 2 up, starting with the units, and our answer is 92. For our short method, now we're just going to look at the tens and the units digits. So my words are different than the ones that we're going to use in the long method. 4 times 3 units will give us 12 units, which is 1 10 and 2 units. We carry the 1 10 to add later. Now 4 times 2 tens gives 8 tens, plus another 1 10 gives 9 tens in total, which goes into our tens column. We get the same answer for both long and short methods. Let's move on to 2. Now we are going to calculate 45 times 3. For the long method, 45 is equal to 40 plus 5. We need to times by 3. Our first step is to multiply our units, 3 times 5. Then we need to do 3 times 40. 3 times 5, the answer goes here, it's 15. 3 times 4 is 12, times by 10 is 120. We add up, starting with the units, and our answer is 135. For our short method, we think we have 4 tens and 5 units. We must multiply both by 3. 3 times 5 units gives 15 units, which is equal to 1 10 and 5 units. 3 times 4 tens gives 12 tens, plus another 1 10 gives 13 tens, or 130. Let's move on to 3. This one's a little bit more difficult, and I'm going to do the working out from scratch for you. We have 57 times 4. We must use the long method. 57 is 50 plus 7. We must times both by 4. 4 times 7 is 28. It goes here. 4 times 50. 4 times 5 is 20. Times 10 is 200. So we need to add up. And our final answer is 228. For our short method, again we write it like this. 5 tens, 7 units. 4 times 7 units gives 28 units, or 2 tens and 8 units. 4 times 5 tens gives 20 tens, plus another 2 tens gives 22 tens, or 220. With this 8, we get exactly the same 2 answers.